Here's an example of a trash room that isn't well maintained. You can see in the back they got a rodent station back there. There is overspill or overflow of food on the ground, but there is accumulated dirt that has accumulated through the years, and nobody is pressure washing this on a regular basis. I don't know if you can see, but there are filth flies. Those trash chutes must be treated every month with a product like DSV, Nibor-D, and some soap to decontaminate it to prevent flies from breeding. This is a haven for American roaches, rodents, and filth flies. And if that trash chute goes up to whatever floor on the inside of a building, well, guess why you're going to have flies inside of a building? Because they're going and they're finding their way up. This needs to be cleaned and pressure cleaned at least once a month in order to maintain it. And the daily maintenance of this trash room to pick up the food from the ground, the overspill, and not leave it there on a daily basis by maintenance staff is a must. That actually station looks like a homemade station. It isn't a proper station to have, and it's probably not being able to be maintained by the technician, because if he comes in and this is blocked and he can't move it, he's not going to maintain that station.